The anal.
Yes, the Baltimore and Ohio. What's up? Welcome back to another YouTube video, and today we are running our new Baltimore Ohio. Man, I love it when my train cars derail. Don't you? That's gonna provide a very comfortable ride, I'm sure. Here, we wisp it onto the rails. Fixed. Now, go. If we look down there, it's green.
It's a beautiful thing.
Let's go back. That's a train. Train's going down over there. Wanna go? Let's go catch up with it. Train's going to there. It's going into the tunnel. I'm going to pull this switch, which is after the tunnel. I'm going to then throw this switch, which will make it so that we can go onto the station track. The train on the end there. Very slowly. The station all the way down there. We're here. Yeah. The humming is from that SD40. Yep, that train car did it again. So,
you don't now. If you did, you don't now.
cut. So, alright, so welcome back. That was just because I had a big derailment and I wanted to put it all back on the tracks together. But here we are, we're at the station. And so, here we are, our old Baltimore and Ohio F3, loading up some rail cars. Considering the platform goes all the way to here, we get boats to the back of the train. Yes, I have a caboose on my train.
This is late 90s here.
I have a caboose on my train. That's simply because I need to maintain 1930s era keep era accurate stuff. So we're gonna go here. Toggle blue for passenger. We are a passenger line, so we're gonna toss it. Pardon the voice, I'm a little bit sick, but still. Train go. Train moves with the rest of it. Come on. Coupler height should be okay. Yeah, coupler height looks fine. I don't know why it keeps unhitching. Come on. Fix my recording. Anyway, I got my what is it, blurriness fixed. Yeah, the station's just there, so we've come around this corner. We're rolling down the tracks. We're not gonna stop at that station, but we're gonna blow right past it. We're gonna stop at Union Station, which is way further down.
The truck came off.
I don't know why it keeps doing that. Comment below if you got any ideas. Train. Train. I'm gonna go around the curve without my train cars, meaning that I'm gonna remove this box car when I do an open house run because it's being too problematic. So I'm gonna do that. Yep, we'll keep on hitting. No. So, yeah, it keeps, this rail car, the bane of my existence. Yeah. The bane of my existence because of that coupler. That might be the problem. Coupler height's not even that good. It's too far out of whack. Clearly. Anyway, we're back again. We're gonna stop at the station up here. Toss this switch. And we'll go in for track 1. But damn you. I hate this rail car now. You are now going to suffer the wrath of Donut Lord 2010 when I get back to the ethanol plant. We're being kicked off the train, and we're going to see how much better it runs without you. You're that useless, you stupid Penzi car. Is somebody... Anyway, thanks everybody for watching. Bye-bye. Bye, everybody.